Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Adobe Acrobat failed to load Core DLL error. This is a common issue that prevents Adobe Acrobat from launching properly, and fortunately, there's a straightforward solution that involves adjusting your security settings. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the application is open, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. This is where you'll find the menu option that gives you access to all of Adobe Acrobat's settings and configurations. In the upper left toolbar, click on Menu. This will open a drop-down with various options for managing your Adobe Acrobat experience. From this drop-down, select Preferences. The Preferences section is your control center for customizing how Adobe Acrobat behaves and operates, and it's where we'll make the necessary change to resolve this DLL error. Once you're in the Preferences window, look at the left sidebar. You'll see a list of different categories and settings you can adjust. From this list, click on Security Enhanced. This section controls Adobe Acrobat's Protected Mode, which is a security feature designed to sandbox the application and prevent potentially harmful actions. While this feature is useful for security, it can sometimes interfere with core files and cause the DLL loading error you're experiencing. In the Security Enhanced section, you'll see an option that says Enable Protected Mode at Startup. There will be a checkbox beside this option. Go ahead and uncheck the box beside Enable Protected Mode at Startup. By disabling this feature, you're allowing Adobe Acrobat to access its core DLL files without the restrictions imposed by Protected Mode, which should resolve the loading error. After you uncheck this box, a confirmation will pop up asking you to verify this change. This is Adobe's way of making sure you understand that you're modifying a security setting. Click Yes to confirm that you want to proceed with disabling Protected Mode. Finally, click OK to save your changes and close the Preferences window. Your new settings will take effect the next time you launch Adobe Acrobat. You may need to restart the application for the changes to fully apply, but once you do, the failed to load Core DLL error should be resolved. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Adobe Acrobat failed to load Core DLL error by disabling Protected Mode. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.